Hello, I'm going to review Cursive. Is it worth the money? So Cursive.io is an online platform that offers AI-focused courses aimed at helping users generate income through tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney, while it markets itself as a beginner-friendly gateway into AI-powered freelancing and digital entrepreneurship. User experiences and expert reviews suggest a more nuanced reality. It has content quality, subscription model, and customer support pros, beginner-friendly content that simplifies complex AI topics. Initial low-cost trial offers allow users to explore the platform before committing. Cons: content lacks depth and practical application, limiting its usefulness for skill development. Aggressive subscription practices, including automatic renewals and unexpected charges, challenges in canceling subscriptions and obtaining refunds. Customer support is often unresponsive or ineffective. Accusations of misleading marketing and ethical concerns. So in conclusion, while Coursera may offer a basic introduction to AI tools for absolute beginners, the platform's numerous drawbacks such as superficial content, questionable billing practices, and inadequate customer support raise significant concerns.